Hi my country people, the tori wey I bring una today na about our veteran Nollywood actress and movie producer Elizabeth OLUSHOLA Sobowale.
A lot of people there saw a very, very tall lady, long legs, beautiful long legs, with babalash nika, with this beautiful full hair, full of smile, full of flowers. So this is my kind everybody. Sorry, I'm coming from party. Don't just take me the way I am. Everybody laughed.
Dem born Shola Sobowale for Ondo State to the family of OLAGOOKUN. Her late papa, Mr. Joseph OLAGOOKUN, na retired school principal, and her late mama, Mrs. Esther OLAGOOKUN, na former headmistress.
Hey guys, see what I got from Netflix. Oh, Netflix.
The research wey I do no give definite year wey dem born am. Some writers say na 1963, others say na 1965, but everybody agree say na every December 26th she dey celebrate her birthday. She do her primary and secondary school for Ondo State before she come enter University of Ibadan go do music. Na from there acting don dey hungry am, wey come make am switch from music to theatre art department.
I went to the toilet in that house, locked myself on my knees, put my mouth inside the tea because I didn't want anybody to hear me. In that toilet, and I screamed, "You Bolowa, fly out!" All the lines came back, my dad.
Na dis one come make am graduate with Bachelor of Arts in Theatre Art from the same university. Shola Sobowale's parents wan make she be teacher like dem, but na Tunji Oyelana, wey be their in-law, convince the parents say acting na better profession. For the sake of present generation, Tunji Oyelana na one of the reigning artists in the 60s and 70s. As at then, Oyelana na actor, singer and lecturer for University of Ibadan. Shola Sobowale joined Awada Kere group before she come land big role few years later for inside O Father O Daughter, wey be popular Nigerian television drama series Super Story in 2001. Shola Sobowale don feature inside many popular films and TV series wey include Asewo Emeka 1992, Diamond Ring 1998, Oduduwa 2000, Lagidegba 2000, Super Story O Father O Daughter 2001, OUTCAST 2001, Emotional Tears 2003, Oyato 2003, Dangerous Strings 2004, Ohun Oko Somida 2010, Family on Fire 2011, The Wedding Party 1 and 2 2017, and many more. As at today, she don appear inside over 200 films. Shola Sobowale na natural actress. She dey flow well well and sabi interpret any role wey dem give am for film. Na all these attributes come earn am plenty awards and recognition wey include Best Actress in Comedy, African Magic Viewers' Choice Awards 2017, Actress of the Year Allure Awards 2018, Hall of Fame, Naija FM Comedy Awards, and many more. Apart from awards and recognitions wey she get, she also get many endorsement deals wey make am worth 664 million naira. Shola is married to Oludotun Sobowale and the Gombodi produce 5 pikin wey include twins. Inside one interview wey dem do for Shola few days ago, make everybody know say she don suffer for the sake of her children. She say she drop her acting career go do petty job for obodo oyinbo so that im children go fit go better school. She talk further say im dey proud to get accountants engineer, advertising practitioner, and business management expert among her children. If una enjoy dis gist, make una subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey come.